ngizothi nje qabu akusindaba esimnandi lezi ze June 16 kahlehle. It's very hurting. Kahle nokumcelebrate nje it's very painful. Ngo June 16 sisesikolweni thina I was in the primary, and then lento yaqala up ni 13 I think ngoba baba me was a taxi driver buka taxi driver mara bekuna let rumor yokuthi nge 16 azikhwelwa ngoba yini amabhunu sesavala mesivula bathi medium of instruction by Afrikaans yonke into sifundiswe ngeAfrikaans abantwana besikolo bathi hayi ngeke iAfrikaans inzima nje uyikhuluma emakhaya sikhulumi so ngicela wenza imaths wenza physics wenzani ngeAfrikaans kwathiwa no mara besayiza nje that rumor yokuthi no akusikhwelwa ke 16 so uTiethi was the leader abepheka lento le uprising. So we are not far from memories. So ithe bengena ekseni baphuma babantwana besikolo bashuthi kahle bona bebe targeta wonke ama high school. Yabona bakhipha bayemncube basuke emncube baya eNaledi High. From Morris to Mncube there was this helicopter in red and white. Eyenze ukuthi thina yabona ukuthi sibe aware ukuthi there's something very wrong enzakalayo ngoba ibe igijima nje la eneyazi sound helicopter njalo kwathiwa nokunabantwana abaphumile so abo mistress bayenzani basivalela yabona ezikolweni thina ama primary basuka bayemncube le helicopter ibidubula kanje phansi basuka kodwa basuka emncube baya eNaledi befika eNaledi still wasani idumbeningi lapha basuka baza kuphi manje sibayikhomba kuyiwaphi manje kuyiOrlando High the time bazodlula futhi eWhite City abazali besebephumile manje kusokuphenika wonke umuntu enhleke besokune tear gas and besingayazi thina tear gas so I tear gas yaqala light ugwayi or light iphepha ubeke kanje yabona and then you can breathe but without doing that we are suffocated to zufe so umamami this younger sister of mine akasesemncane so elokishini kwathi hey landani ingane zenu ezikolweni so mayibabuya baphuma eNaledi bebebuya bazodlula eWhite City yila kwenzela ezinye izinto le helicopter beyifuna ukulenda ngase kunesikole bathi iThepheni bokusasene this lon kwathiwa labantu laba kahle baphuma ngapha iside lase central bafuna ukulenda lapha ya so ukuthi bazolenda kumele bayenzeni kumele badubule just to clear the space so you can just imagine nalento yaka Peterson ne into ka Peterson kahlehle bunidi he was the first child to be captured by camera yabona but he's not the first victim ukuthi abulawe yabona so bayenzani la kufe khona abantwana there was this horse trailer besibiza ukuthi horse trailer ama abnormal beyohamba kudobha abantwana abafaka lapho babavala ngeseni yabona bathomba idumbu leli bazivala ngeseni up to today lezo idumbu zange zitholakala basuka lapho thina ke thembe bezodlule White City mama yethu wangena nekangena walwana mistress wasithatha mesiphuma yavela this imelo yelo yabona bokuneveni lebe ina le speaker basikhipheni tear gas enzima ithembe bebekuthi nje mugcoke nje black and white they just shoot at you mugcoke nje black and white sangena eStoro mesingena eStoro la singena khona bekuyideri wasithatha lo baba lo wasifaka efridge nikasifaka efridge bangena nezinja bathi baba wathi bajampile ebamshaya lo baba wathi ngithi bajampile, wathi bekhipha labantwana abangenela baba wathi bajampile, wathi ibondeli ngakho wathi bajampisene, mshaya bahamba, bebehamba basikhipha lo baba. Sesifrizile ngaleso sikhathi. So hence ngisho ngithi into ka June 16 ngoba nomunye bekawile anikwazi ukumdobha. Yabona? Ngoba naba labantu enihipho moyishaya ngelitsha ayiphuki ayithini. But ke ngoba yena bekazi ukuthi mekathi mina into engambona ngayo mekathi ningene emajardini mekathi istrata siyagcwala. So kwaziwa ukuthi no nayi i-ring leader utsithi. So wabe uba i-130 le njengoba sekabalekile, but ayizange iphele nge-16 ngoba nge-17 eyaqhubeka. It's where abantwana bashisa ama-public buildings wonke, bashisa number 1 office, bekuthiwa number 1 office bekuyinumber 1 office, bashisa number 1 office, bashisa ibhara, bashisa nje ama-public buildings. And then yila futhi abantwana baye baphela ngoba mina kithi besihlala phambi kwase Crossroad bekuyi-main road, bekuyi-18 ngalolo langa. Wadlula baqale badlula, bebedlula baphelele Crossroad. Bebephelele Crossroad sezwa ukuthi eCrossroad bekunebhange itse haba nabaqeda ufedu kwadlula this abnormal. Mina ngaqala ukuyibona nge-18 lo abnormal, mara yona yaqala umsebenzi wayo nge-16. Lo abnormal beyine-sale amadona amahlandla ayi-2 la idlula khona ubona ngegazi to. So thina bese sibonile umama athi mekathi uyazivala amehlo kanti thina bese silunguzile. So it's into engeke iphele thina. So i-youth meningazi ukuthi siphuma phi namabhono. I think angazi ukuthi ngayibeka kanjani. The struggle asikakapheli enesisaya phambili mara nihlale nazi ukuthi umuntu omhlophe akasifuni ngoba kwasanami bangidubula khona lapha ya kuleya ntaba bengithengisa ikipa ze-each one. Mina ngaphaphama ebhara for 3 weeks ngaphaphama, mengiphaphama I was arrested Nyawo. And then bathi thina singama-terrorist ngoba kwafa abantwana abayi-18 ngalolo langa. Bathi thina besiphethe i-grenade, mina bengakazi ngibona i-grenade bayibeka lapha phezu kwetafula. Bathi yamazi uMandela, ngathi mina ngimazi. Bathi uyayazi Robben Island, ngathi angiyazi. Bathi ya wena udutshiliwe ngoba buphethe lama-hand grenade. Babeke ne-AK, ngicala ukubona i-AK. I was 16 years ngaloso sikhathi. So bathi ngi-terrorist. So saphuma ngebheli emalini ye-300. That's a lot of money ngaloso sikhathi, 300. But ke ababanganayo abantu besasenobuntu, abantu bakolekela nabantwana besihamba nabo saphuma. But nje into enganjela yona umlungu nomuntu omnyama akunala kuhlangana khona. And kumele ukuthi singayiyeki lento ukuthi recommemorate batho ba batsamayileng. Those are our heroes. Yabona la badlule khona bafowethu lendlela le abayilimile inzima kakhulu ngoba lapha yana kudela impilo yakho. Abaningi vele bashona bahamba abangazange kwalebulwa ukuthi ubani nobani mara abantwana azange bangcwatshwe, azange batholakala, baphelela kulo abnormal up to today. So lokhu bahambe ngama-black and white. Yabona? So lento June 16 bafowethu ibuhlungu, let me say it, ibuhlungu kuthina esayibona esayithesta ngoba lento beseyenzeka every year. I think niyazi utututu angithi bekabiza lapha ya eRegina Mundi everywhere kuyothandazwa. And then before siphuma nje ngithi niyabona amaphoyisa surrounded sesho amatheke sikwenzwa. It's because ututu bekabona ukuthi the spirit of the abantwana laba bashona it deserves to ukuthi celebrate. Yabona? So laba ngoba abacindezeli bebengafuni ukuthi yenziwe ukuthi nani ningazi nibone ngathi kune freedom. Akuna freedom bafowethu, ayikho. As long as ihlangane nomlungu ayikho i-freedom. And abelungu they can do whatever ukudestroy umuntu omnyama. Ngiyabonga.